Make money using social media. First way is Instagram influencer. So you get paid to promote posts. When you promote posts to your audience, if you have a big following, then other people will pay you just to do that when you become an Instagram influencer. All right, so the second way is going to be Facebook. Facebook, you can promote on like different groups. You can sell items in different groups, or you can become a master at ads and you can post ads for a dropshipping store. You can get paid. So that way, or you can just be on Facebook, and if you have a big following, just like Instagram, you can promote your products or other people's products on your website or your page, and that's how you get paid using Facebook. So y'all need to check that out. That's step number 2. That's the way number 2 to make money with social media. And then obviously step number 3 is going to be YouTube, which is what I'm doing right now. And this is the ultimate social media way to make money. So all you do is create the videos. You got to find content. If you want to find some content, you can use sites like vidIQ, which is very good. They have a daily ideas section where you could come up with ideas for videos. So if you run out of ideas for videos, in fact, I used the daily ideas section to create this video that I'm showing you guys now. So you can come up with different ideas. You can use YouTube as a way to really monetize and really make money from social media. And all it takes is some good video content. And once you do that, you get paid pretty nicely. So the money will come rolling in. So just get out there, get you a good camera, get you a good microphone. Unlike the one I'm using, don't do that. But YouTube, y'all. So that's number 3 of ways to make money with social media. And all these ways are really good ways to make money with social media. So if you remember these ways, then you can start making some good money online. And you can apply these methods that I showed you in this video to YouTube, to Instagram, and Facebook. And just get out there and start making money. All you gotta do. And there's another way to make money with social media, which is a little bit easier, but we'll get into that in the next video. But for now, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And I'll continue to make more content for you guys. And until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.